we're heading over to Burns Harley Davidson for a quick little, I don't know, test ride. I guess he's gonna go test ride some motorcycles and I'm gonna go and see if I'm sitting on one or I don't know. I need to get the hell out of the house right now. Brain's going a little woohoo, and I'm sure that a lot of you are kind of understanding that to a certain degree. But you know, motorcycles, social distancing over here. Yeah.
Me and old Princess Pepe over here, I just could not say no to matching Honda Rebels. So these two Rebels are sitting right next to each other, both with the same shroud in front of them, both with the same seat, both with the same exhaust. I gotta imagine that some couple traded these things in on bigger bikes. They're both, don't pay attention to that, they're both $3,900. But with these two Rebels sitting next to each other, me and my hetero life mate over here, Princess Pepe, just had to take them out.
Turn on your Senna.
All right, we're linking up our Sennas right now.
How you doing, good sir?
Are you kidding me? Look, I got the shiny one.
Ooh, why do you get the bagger?
It's not the bags. It's the sparkle, dude. You think I'm going to ride on that flat black bike? Man, that's all you. I like the flash.
You are fabulous. Did these stay on?
Yeah.
Okay.
You ever ridden a Honda Rebel before?
No.
I don't even know if these are 300s or 500s.
I think they're 300s. I just heard them tell somebody it was a 300.
Yeah, I think the 500s are dual twins. These are single cylinders. Rebel 300s, baby. You ready for this?
Vroom. Uh-oh. Stalled out.
Ha!
Whoa.
Come on, tough guy.
I'm trying. It doesn't have much pickup.
Come on, dude. We're fucking rebels. We're out here freaking making it happen. Me and Princess Pepe on the prowl.
Are these things street legal?
You better hide your daughters. Fucking beaver boys out here on patrol on the rebels, man. Cruising for trim.
I can't catch up. What's going on, guys? Like my rebel?
Hell yeah, dude.
This is just ridiculous. My drag race? Yeah, I'm winning. Gotta get all dramatic about it, like those like Days of Thunder, like you grab the clutch downshift and you go whee! That's all it's got. That's all it's got.
Hide your daughters, hide your wives. Beaver boys are in town on the rebels.
I know this is
Ooh, with that synchronicity. Oh yeah.
This is way too hilarious.
No, I love it, dude. Are you kidding me?
I know this is a weird reference, but do you remember that Major Lazer video with the fat girls and the tiny like sport bikes? What are these? 3?
3,900.
What if you buy both? Can you do it for 5?
I don't know. Call up first. Make them a deal. How much for the pair? No, we need to ride out in full white suits. Or white and black. I'll do the white suit. You do the black suit.
Ooh, girl. No, wait, Dumb and Dumber. Like, what is it? That turquoise and that orange salmon?
Yeah. Like some old school prom suits or something.
Oh, yeah. Absolutely.
Some tuxedos.
Does this thing only have 1,000 miles on it?
Mine's only got 838 miles on it.
Mine's got 1,540.
Oh. We know who rode theirs more.
Want to drag race back to Birth, see who gets there first?
Yeah, try not to run into me on a U-turn.
Okay, f*** you, bitch.
I've seen you do U-turns.
I've seen you like just swerving in everybody's lane. You're like, I'm in front. I'm taking whatever I want.
I'm just gonna say I have a marked weight disadvantage, and my bike has saddlebags, so.
Yeah, well, you've been riding longer than I have, and you do more shit with motorcycles, so you're a better rider.
I'm just saying I'm working with a handicap because I feel bad for you.
Oh, okay. Okay. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Oh!
Tree surgeon! I'm only 65 miles an hour.
I'm at 67. I'm catching up.
This is what victory smells like. It's just like I thought it'd be like, too. Oh my God, it feels so good.
And you did a very good job of making it look like an 80s movie. All right, here's my second chance, bitch. Yeah, your aerodynamics were off.
Yeah, I got slightly inferior aerodynamics. I got the whole shot, let it be said. I mean, I felt bad. I didn't want you to go home without a W, man.
Oh yeah, thanks. I appreciate it.
I know. Just will freaking be crying all night, getting that pillow sopping wet with tears of defeat.
Well, I hope you can't get through this because you have saddlebags. How about that?
Wasn't it the first one back?
My kickstand's down first. Did we review that at all, or?
My camera was rolling, dude.
I mean, like, did we do it either kind of a review, or did we just off? Thank you, sir. Now let's see if I can start my music without bothering, shade tree diaper rash. Ooh. Hey, slow down. You don't want to give any first responders any more work today.
Alright, I'm making my shade tree radio. I better be able to turn this shit back on.
Sorry, just pull over and start it over. You press the button real quick to turn off the intercoms, and then you hold it down until you hear that first beep. It'll turn the music back on.
Oh, Jesus! Thank Christ! Holy fucking shit, dude! Jesus! Thank Christ! Holy fucking shit, dude! Oh, Jesus! Thank Christ! Holy fucking shit, dude! Let's get the out of the way, man. Holy crap. You want to talk about a close call? Saw that coming. All right. Hold up. You okay, man?
Yeah, I'm straight.
All right, don't cut. All right, I'm just making sure you don't cut yourself on that glass, dude.
Yeah. Do you have a knife I can actually cut this open?
Yeah.
Or just pull it open?
Absolutely. All right.
Trying to call it. Get up. Yeah, it's out. Shoot! You okay, bro? Yeah, I'm straight.
You got your wallet down there, bud. Holy moly, dude. Well, that was unexpected.
Yeah, I'll say.
I'm sure even more unexpected for him.
Whoa. I hope that's for us.
All right, let's go ahead and say he's out of the car. I don't think they need us. I'm glad you're okay. I was about to run away. Before I saw that it wasn't going to hit us,
Yeah.
I was like, dude, I'm about to dip.
Yeah. That was fun.
Well, there you go, man. There's a little excitement for you.
I think I got it.
I know I did.
I just looked over and I hear dunk, ka-dunk, ka-dunk, ka-dunk. Wow. That was unexpected. That guy was wearing a gas mask.
The what now?
That guy was wearing a full-blown gas mask.
The guy in the car?
No, in the heart, on the bike.
Oh, I didn't wasn't paying attention.
It was like the full canister in the front and everything.
Just that went by right now?
Yeah. What world are we in?
There you go, man.
Wow. That guy was way lucky. He had diving cans in the fucking car.
What now?
He had diving canisters. Like air
Holy
tanks?
crap.
Huh?
He had diving canisters in the
Yeah,
back?
like three of them.
Holy moly.
One was in the fucking passenger seat. And one was out the rear window.
Damn, dude.
Yeah.
Yeah, I would say he got pretty lucky.
Oh man, I can't wait to get back to the house and see how much of that carnage I got on camera. I guess since I'm at a loss for what's going on right now, pilot shock and heart attack of watching my best friend almost get hit by a car. Need to quit talking about that. I'm a bit of a loss right now, is what to say. I'm gonna go ahead and just say don't forget to like this video and don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, I'm being lazy about it. Let's see if I can